Hello, and thank you for joining us for another Landis Contact Center feature spotlight. Today we want to look at skills-based routing. So first of all, I want to focus on why you would use skills-based routing in a contact center solution. There's a number of reasons why you could use it, but let's discuss a few options. So number one, maybe you have agents that speak two different languages. You have French-speaking agents and you have English-speaking agents. And you have agents that are at different levels of proficiency in those languages. So you can assign those skills to those users, and then when a call comes in and requests a French-speaking agent, it will prioritize the agents that are better at speaking French, and vice versa for English. This allows calls to be routed to an available agent even if the most proficient agent isn't available. They don't continue to hold in the queue. They will find an agent that is able to help them. But this gives you the best chance at finding the most qualified agent to handle a call on the first routing method. So the other skills-based routing you can do is on technical skill as well. And you can do multiple, in the contact center, you can do multiple levels. So you can first sort by language and then sort by skill, technical skill, and route it according to that information as well. Where you gather this information is in the IVR. And in other feature spotlights, we deal with the IVR and some of the options within it. But callers can choose why they called, or maybe it's sorted automatically based on what number they called. But in any case, when you have that information, then you can route the calls automatically to the most proficient agent for that skill. Now let me talk a little bit about how this is set up in Landis Contact Center. As with all of our features, it's a very easy configuration process. The first thing you do is you go to the actual skills and you define what your skills are in your organization, whether that's language or certain technical skills that you're defining. So you can easily customize this. This is fully customizable for your organization. And after you have those skills configured in the skills list, then you can go to the users. And as you set up your users, there's a skills tab here, and you can define which skill it is that they are proficient in, and you can give different levels for the different skills. So you can have different languages and have them prioritized in one or the other. And then lastly, going into the queues themselves, and this is how the calls are actually routed. You go in and you enable the skills-based routing, and that will allow you then to go to the skills tab in the queue settings and define which skills are going to define the routing method for that queue. So that is the process for setting it up. It's very easy. This is an easy way to add customer service, to improve your customer service, because you're most likely to get to an agent that can handle that caller on the first call, which is an important metric for how customers are satisfied with the support they receive. Thanks again for watching a feature spotlight.